This is amateur coil for my neighbor generator, and this is the armature. Both of these, if you put this armature into this coil, it will become alternator. Once the rolling starts, then they start generating electricity. But by now, I want to do something that I will be able to convert this to arc welding machine. This is the process of removing the coil from the iron. And now I have removed all the winding on this status. So now what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to coil the wire around this iron. So I'm going to make, well, these two wire here, this wire and this one is the main coil of the starter, and why this one is a coil that's connected to capacitor. Okay. Then this coil here is the one that is on this armature. Yeah. Now this wire now, I'm going to want it. I want to connect both of them in parallel. I connect this one and this one in parallel, so that I'll one round on this thing, so that I'll use it as my primary coil. I'll use my estimator.
I think they're winging a bit, said he. Many follow them.
I am actually. This is another.
It done. Oh, 19 la water. 17 by 18 lay at them.
No, but Kenya.
19 leg. So 18 let them, 17 at them.
This is the fourth this thing, connector. Connect it together. Wound it like this. So now, choose.
The engine. Oh, yeah, by that. Hey, the engine. The engine. No, I come down there. Everybody is annoyed. It takes money, though. You will miss opportunity. Yeah, yes. Go to Tanda, they don't yell. My international party.
And I read Allah, and Allah. And Allah, my Allah. You. Yeah, daddy.
In 22. Fine, they can allow.
I do the other hookah through 1
minute.
minute.
Oh, fuck up, baby. Hey, come down here alone. Anela.
Ida mariri. Aduh gabe.
Mana meu calme.
Venha se fosse o you. I've now coiled the primary coil. This is point 1 here, and this is the middle tab, this point here, and this is the last point. So I'm going to start my secondary coil with this 6 mm wire that I'll be able to have a high current. And the required volt that I need here now is I need 18 volts or 24 volts for the welding material or welding device that I need. I'm going to pass the wire through this round like this. I'm going to take it round like this. I have to use this wire to hook this one so that I will be able to turn it myself. Unfortunately, I was unable to get the 18 volt or 18 volt 24 volt that I need because of the little middle point of this winding core material. So when the thickness of the wire that I used to wound this secondary coil, I'm unable to get the 24 volt 18 volt that I need. So check on my next video. I'm going to create a material that I will be able to